Spocket is a dropshipping app connecting Shopify stores to US, EU, and global suppliers for fast shipping, 2 to 7 days, and quality products, for example, apparel, home goods. It automates imports, inventory sync, and fulfillment, ideal for scaling without stock. Free plan, 25 products, paid from $24 per month, unlimited. Integration. Steps: sign up, visit spocket.co, create account, email and password, verify email. Install app, Shopify admin, apps, search the Spocket. Add app, authorize permissions, products, orders, inventory. Connect. Store in Spocket dashboard, shop, select Shopify, paste store URL, for example, me store, myshopify.com. Connect. Browse and import, products, filter by niche or location, like US suppliers. Click Add to Import List. Edit. Titles, prices, images. Push to Shopify. Daily use. Fulfillment. Orders sync to Spocket. Orders. Checkout. One-click buy from supplier. Auto-update tracking in Shopify. Automation. Enable pricing rules, for example, plus 30% markup, and stock sync to avoid oversells. Track. Dashboard shows analytics. 24/7 chat support.